Good morning. Today we'll discuss about a new chapter that is called fifth chapter. Chapter name is Determining the Business Information Systems Strategy. Determining the Information Systems Strategy. Okay, last classes we'll already discussed about what type of applications are required, what type of infrastructure is required, and what type of business processes are required. Already were discussed about previous chapters. Now we'll discuss about determining, that means which applications are necessary to establish. At the same time, what type of infrastructure is required to fulfill such type of business processes. Yeah, main objectives of determining main objectives of determining the information system strategies is to identify the required applications and their priorities and be able to deploy resources to achieve them successfully. The main objective of this chapter is determining the information system strategy and what type of strategies are there. Here, three types of strategies already were discussed. One is these strategies are required, what is the input and what is the output and what is the deliverables. Okay, that's why here the main objectives of determining the information strategies is to identify the required applications and their priorities and be able to deploy resources to achieve them successfully. That's why if take one business process is there, that business process is required, what is the input and what is the outputs you may expecting. At the same time, what is the deliverable? That is called what is the consequences related to the so-and-so business process. At the same time, you need to identify the information system, that means set of applications. What type of applications are suitable for this so-and-so business process? Suppose if you take I want to do the day-to-day transactions, for example. At the time, what is the information system application? That is called database management systems. Suppose I need to predict the future. Okay, at the time, what type of applications are required? Like data warehousing and mining, such type of applications. Okay, analytical applications are required for the future predictions. Okay, identify the business needs and opportunities. Information system strategy must be integrated not only as systems of information systems and technologies, coherent set of actions, but also in terms of a business process of adoption to meet the changing needs of the required businesses. Okay, the key competencies required to survey customer, product, and operations. These are the three most important things are required. Okay, then before going to be identify the information system requirements, okay, that's why that is called as a requirements. Requirements means user needs or organization needs or application needs or architecture needs. Set of known requirements and potential opportunities can be identified through a depth analysis of business environment as well as role of informations and systems. needs and options, results from businesses, pressures, organizations of activities, resources, and people. Okay, previous chapters already discussed what type of people are required. Suppose if you take an executive, expert systems are required. Okay, at the same time, what is the resources are required? That means what are the applications are required. At the same time, each and every expert person or skills, that activities, roles and responsibilities already discussed. And research and technologies need to be acquired and deployed. Deployed means to establish such type of applications in the so-and-so architecture. Okay, so-and-so architecture, and then run the so-and-so applications. Those applications will give us a successful business processes. Okay, here we're going to be discussed about another most important thing is, this is most important. The inputs and the toolkits are most important. That's why previously I already discussed about, suppose external business environment and internal business environments. Okay, already discussed in previous chapters. Here, that is called, suppose for example, if you take a strategic key operational elements as well as high potential. That means most important and necessary applications are required to do the so-and-so business process. Here, suppose three structures are given to you. Here, many things are there. Test analysis, for example, business portfolio analysis, industry and competitive analysis, and competences and analysis of, like in that also another one is the SWOT analysis also will come under. That is called strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and time. Okay, missions, objectives of business stage. Okay, and critical success factors. These are already discussed in the previous, like deliverables, like hard outputs or soft outputs. Okay, hard inputs or soft inputs, like that already discussed. Here, strategic. Here, four-dimensional already discussed. According to that, one is the strategic, key operational, high potential, and support. Current application portfolio which are there, there's going to be under.